Hi, everybody. Now, as you know, in this class, we have a quiz every week about what we've been learning. And this week's quiz, you are going to be asked to convert. Now, I really want you to learn this skill. It's very important in science. And to give you kind of a heads up what this conversion quiz is going to look like, I want to give you some fair warning that you are going to be converting using some units that aren't real units. You are going to be using some pretend units. And you might ask, why are you going to be asked to convert pretend units? Because of the fact that there are unit conversions out there. So if I asked you to convert feet to inches, inches to miles, things like that, there is the fabulous internet. It's a wonderful place. But this is a skill. You have to be able to convert weird and wacky things. It is something you need to know in any science course. And in order to have you practice, that's why I've made up some units. And before you take the quiz, I don't want you to freak out when you open the quiz and go, holy moly, I'm converting from snails to rabbits. That's why we're doing this. So let's go through a couple problems like those you are going to encounter on this week's quiz using some of these weird and strange units. Let's say you have 720 rabbits and you're converting to dogs. Now, these are homemade units, and first thing you use is a conversion factor. Now, right here, it says that one rabbit is equal to that many dogs. So you set it up like we've been doing all of our conversions. 720 rabbits, nice lined paper, draw your TIE fighter. You end up with dogs. So the thing you want to get rid of should be kitty corner from itself. The thing you want to keep stays on top. Then you put the numbers in. So one rabbit is 0.0089 dogs. Then you pick up your calculator, 720 times 0.0089. And when I did that, I got 6.408. Now, when we talk about significant figures, if this was 3 sig figs, then this should be rounded off to 3. So the answer should be 6.41 dogs. Now, obviously, we're not talking about whole animals here. This is pretend units. Otherwise, that would be weird. So that's how you do this. Exactly the same conversions we've been doing. So let's go through a couple more. I want you to try these. Same process. I just don't want you to freak when you see the quiz. So go through a couple of these on your own, and then we'll go through them together to make sure you've got this down. All right, this one is dogs to horses. Same thing, nice flat line, 0.31 dogs. I'm going to use D to abbreviate for dogs. There is not a direct dog-horses conversion, but there is dogs to rabbits, and there is then rabbits to horses. So I'm going to get rid of dogs, keep rabbits. One rabbit is 0.0089 dogs. Now, you might think I'm a little bit evil, but honestly, folks, people do better on the conversion quiz doing it this way because they concentrate on the process and they don't mix things up because they know them too well. Now I'm going to go from rabbits to horses, get rid of rabbits. It's on top, so I've got to put it on the bottom to get rid of it. And horses, I want to keep horses on top. One horse is equivalent to 11,205 rabbits. When I do the math, I ended up with 0.003108. I started out with 2 digits here, round this off to 2 digits, 0.0031 horses. The fact that we only appeared to move the decimal a few times was just accidental magic and was not Mary's intent at all. All right, let's try one more, and then we'll do it together. Okie dokie, 11.5 horses. And the path I chose to go was horses to rabbits, rabbits to dogs, and then dogs to cats. So multiple TIE fighters. Get rid of horses. Go to rabbits. One horse is 11,205 rabbits. I'm done with horses. Cross those out. Next, rabbits to dogs. Get rid of rabbits. Go to dogs. One rabbit is 0.0089 dogs. Get rid of rabbits. I now have dogs, but I want cats. Last but not least, dogs to cats. Get rid of dogs. Keep cats. There's 8.92 cats in 13.7 dogs. Dogs cancel. If it's on top, you multiply. If it's on the bottom, divide. So grab your calculator. 11.5 times 11,205 times 0.0089 times 8.92 times, divide by 13.7, and then when I'm all done, I ended up with 746.696. Started with 3 digits, going to end with 3 digits. I ended up with 747 cats. That's a lot of kitty chow. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.